what you want this.
What's up, T-Wiz?
No.
I'm back with another mukbang for y'all. We got another seafood boil.
This time we made it. Do y'all know I'm not to be in it, but at the seafood boil spot, it would have been about $40, $50 for 2 seafood boils. It would have been about $50. Fuck out of here. Them bitches be like $30-something, $60 and shit. Total. Do y'all know that shit was about $47 out the store? And we done fed 4 motherfuckers. No, yeah, we fed 2 other people and us. So fucked up.
I want potato. I'm trying to cook that potato. And go sausage for y'all.
Y'all, motherfucker, man, we be fucking the crab, man. I'm telling you, bitches, Okay, you finna break down. Look at the fuck out of that. Ain't you doing it? Really? I need to start doing content on my page again.
Yeah.
I thought y'all.
This is good.
Yeah, it is 10:16. I really ate shit up. It's not lying. I don't even know how this lemon shit is.
Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Because I did.